All right, so I just bought this, and the reason I got it was because when I'm crawling under a sink and it's dark in there, it's hard to hold the flashlight, hold the camera, and do all the things you got to do. So this is it's called a Molaer Headlamp, and basically what it does is this right here is an LED light, and I do believe we may have to charge this. It's got another little flashlight on the side. And what you do is you put this on your head, and then you're going to be able to see what you're doing. So if you look, it's got an on button here, it's got a Wi-Fi button there, and here it's got your USB-C port to charge it. So we're going to go ahead and charge this baby up, and then we're going to try it. We're going to show you how it works. So you got to adjust it over here for your head. So, you know, depending on how big your head is. Mine is not super big, but we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Just kind of pull it like this. It makes it smaller. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so anyway, we got to get her, this goes on the side like this. So this is going to be in the front, right? So now you just got to kind of pull this, get your finger in it, and you're going to slide it this way. Whoops, you got to get underneath it and pull it like this, and it kind of makes it smaller. I'm going to pull it a lot so I get some good stretchiness on it. Let's see if that's good enough. That's pretty close. I need a little bit more. So you go under here, and you're going to pull it here. You see? And then loop it. So pull it like that, and then loop it. Let me just put a little bit more on it. So this should be really, really tight. Yeah, there we go. That's tight. Whoops. All right, so it's going to go like that. Now, when I'm underneath the sink or something, I can see, hopefully I'll be able to see, and we'll test it out underneath the thing. So it's got like a flashlight here, and then this is LED lights, and that's how you put it on. All right, so I'm gonna charge it now. All right, so we just gotta find the port. We open her up, we get our USB-C, shove her in, tells you it's charging. We'll come back a little bit later, and we'll try it out and see how she works. How's that sound? Well, this is charging. I'll show you this cool little case that comes with this. And you do get a USB to USB-C, and it shoves in there, and so you can save it all right in that little case when you're ready to put it away. That's kind of nice. Has a little zipper on it. Yeah, just like that. All right, looks like we're charged, and we can check this bad boy out. So let's go ahead and pop that off of there. Close that. I think we're ready to roll. Put this on my forehead and we'll go check it out, see if it works. All right, I did want to bring this to your attention. It says, warning, no direct shining of lights of people or animal, which may cause instant blindness. Oh, geez. We pay much attention to our customers, blah, 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 gratitude. So anyway, definitely be careful. Do not look into the light. Whatever you do, you could burn your eyeballs out. All right, I'm going to try putting it over my hand, see if how this works. So now I've got it like this. How's that look right there? All right, so we got to power it up. And on the side here, there's a power button. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it off of here so I can see what I'm doing. So there's the power button. All right, so anyway, you've got a couple different modes here. You got to find it. It's towards the back of it, right here. And you're going to press it, and you're going to get bright. Then you get less bright. Then you get flashlight. Then you get less flashlight. And then you get off. So there's 5 different things. Bright, less bright, flashlight, less flashlight, and off. Very simple. Ta-da! Let's go into a dark room and see how it works. Here. All right, so the garage is pretty dark. So we're going to try it in here. So I've got to turn the lights off first. Bam. That is pretty dark in here, right? Okay, now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here, I'm going to turn it on. Bam, look at that. So here's the modes, right? Here we go. There's mode 1. It's really bright. Mode, whoops. 1, 2, flashlight, 3, 4. All right, so now I'm going to just switch it. All right, as you can see, it's super dark in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and blast it on. Here we go. This is the brightest. Bam, look at this. So we're walking around, looking good. Now I'm going to shoot it on to less bright. Now I'm going to shoot it onto the to the flashlight. So in the flashlight, look, you can do like, I can like spot around on it. That works pretty good, that flashlight. I mean, that's pretty good for a small flashlight. Now if I turn it one more, it makes it a little bit less. So here's super bright, less bright, flashlight, flashlight half, and then off. So that's it, that's how it works. All right, so I'm gonna walk back here. I'm gonna turn this on and off. Right now it's off, so I'm gonna go to super bright first. Now I'm gonna go to half bright. Now I'm gonna go to flashlight. Now I'm gonna go to half flashlight, and then this is off. Bam, done. Look at it. Woo! I like it. I think it's gonna work great for me. I like this thing a lot. Look how bright it is. Yeah, this is definitely gonna work. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.